Oh man. Okay, so much for our poached eggs.
Oh, that's lovely. That's awesome. That's where we go. Hi guys, I'm Madeline and this is Lakeside Table. And today we're making a nutrient-dense, low-carb bagel that's perfect for a quick snack or a leisurely Sunday brunch. This recipe calls for a few key ingredients, but they're really easy to find. But the one thing you really do need is this donut or bagel mold. If you don't already have one of these and you want one, I've put a link for that down below that'll take you right over to Amazon. But for now, let's go ahead and get cooking. First, separate 4 eggs and beat the egg whites with a 1/4 teaspoon salt on high until they form stiff peaks. Then combine all the dry ingredients, 3 tablespoons flaxseed meal, 2 tablespoons coconut flour, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon chive seeds, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Mix these all together. Then stir 1 tablespoon canola oil and 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar into the egg yolks. When the egg whites are ready, stir in the dry ingredients and then add the yolk mixture. Let this rest for 10 minutes and then spoon it into your bagel pan. If you want, you can sprinkle chive seeds or poppy seeds or maybe some nice big flaky salt like Maldon on top. Then they go into a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. If they don't just pop out of the pan, gently help them out with a spatula. Then you can toast them up, slather them with butter or cream cheese, or make a sandwich with them. These guys are so good, especially right out of the oven. This one's got butter or fresh herbs on it. You just look at that, it's so good. Oh my God, I love butter. And such a nice, deep, nutty flavor. These are so nice. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, if you want the printable version, it's over on my blog, lakesidetable.com. And if you like this video, please subscribe. And if you're looking for that donut pan, the link for that is down below as well over on Amazon. So thanks again so much for watching, guys. I will see you next week. And until then, go have fun in your kitchen. Bye.